Hey everyone, how's it going? Figured I'd make a quick video. We got snow, a little bit, not a lot. Not for Minnesota, it's a little bit. So anyways, snowblower starts up, runs fine. Go to engage the auger and it dies. Did I leave ice and snow in there the last time it snowed? Let's go find out what's causing this. Alright, so you can hear my neighbor snow blowing. He's probably over laughing at me. What's going on? So as I said, it starts to run through. As soon as I engage that, it dies. So let's go look. You see it? You see it back there? See all the ice? So let's knock that out of there. Alright, so like I said, you can see all that ice in there. Behind here. Right behind the impeller. So let's try to break that ice up. This is from my neglect from the last time I used it. I'm going to go in through the chute, try to bust up some of that ice. Alright, so like I said, there's a little bit of ice here. It was not a big deal. Wrong. Watch this. Put the pry bar in there. Look how big that is. So before you take your machine in to get repairs, make sure you don't neglect your machine like this and get all that out of there. Alright, now that I have all that ice cleaned out of there, a little bit here, not to worry about. Let's give it a shot and see if that works. So that worked, but did you see the another problem that I was unaware of? You see that? That one's in. Broke. So let's see about getting a new one put in there. So I got the pin put in there. Put that in. I'll bend that over. So now let's try that again. That should get both sides going. There you have it. That was 100% my fault. When I used it the last time, I did not clean the snow and ice out of there. That was my fault. Shear pin, well, it happens. Alright, so as you can see, my chute is full of that wet, slushy stuff, which is going to turn into ice. All that, again, is going to do the same thing. But how do you unclog that? Well, let's protect ourselves and keep our fingers. Never, ever, under any circumstance, put your hand in there. Running or not, because even when the engine's not running, that impeller can be under pressure. And once you clear that, it can spin, and goodbye fingers. So don't ever put your fingers in there. So, engine off. Disconnect spark plug, just so you know there's going to be no accidental startup. One way I do it is I have an old cane, old wooden cane. And I can use this and pop that out of there. I don't have to bend over. I can just do it that way. And once I get most of that out, as you can see, now it's down in there. And now we got to clean that out. So remember, spark plug's disconnected, so if we have to put something else in there with our hand, we probably can. So let's knock all this snow out of here. So now I am satisfied. Got the majority of the snow and ice out of there. You go look inside the hose of the impeller. Pretty clean inside those. So the majority of that ice is out of there after we're done using it. So now I shouldn't have no more issues the next time. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good day now.